Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So black box appearing immediately after Windows start and it not after some time also by startup applications, graphic card, Windows Explorer, lot of way to getting this issue. So guys, first method, click to start, type task manager, right click to run as administrator, then full screen, find out a Windows Explorer, right click to restart first one. Wait few seconds, it will come black screen and after that normalize, it will come back taskbar like this, and then ta- click on three dot, three lines, and then click on startup app. So these app is a startup means your systems when start it will work, this applications works automatically. Okay, so like this is not required. Okay, startup means when your system, so if like it will show disable mean this is enable it. Okay, now this is asus agent is enabled, office 360 microsoft copilot also is enabled, link also, so click to disable. Now it is showing like highlight it's enable means this is disable it. So those all and which not require the applications, so you can disable it. This is not required. Sometime what happened, it will start up and it will come on screen, that's why it's coming also black box screen on the on screen. Okay, after that second method, click to start, type run, and then type msconfig and then click to ok. After that it will open, click on services and then click disable, hide all Microsoft service and then click to disable all and then apply and then click to ok. Then next, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, this command for the Windows repair, and then type this command. This is very important for the restore your health means restore your system. Sometime what happened, it will corrupt your Windows file, so you can restore via this command. Okay, so when it is completed, try to first this completed, then try to second one on same window. Okay, so second one is sfc scan now, and then it after that it will start the percentage, same both command one by one, and it is completed, then restart your system, it is 100% required for. And then please check your issue after the restart, and if your issue not resolved, so please comment me, I will create one more video like advanced level videos. Okay, thank you.